My experience in John's class was phenomenal. Like I had a lot of fun. John's engaging. He really cares about the topics of his class, so
I
that
would completely encourage anybody to take John's class.
I like it because it helped me like personally a lot, helped me to find a job, helped me
But I would definitely recommend taking this class. John is probably one of my favorite professors that I've.
And it will also kind of challenge you to think outside the box in a way that other classes might not.
So in my job currently, we actually have a lot of outdated technology. So being able to use the skills that I learned in his class, I'm able to, I would say, better present, different types of technology to my superiors, to then being able to, tell them how it could help our team be more efficient and how we could be more competitive in the market.
The class have helped me to grow in my career is that I was able to put all these skills I learned. For example, we use Tableau, we use SQL. I can really put that on my resume and put it under the technical skills. And I would think it will help me to learn is that all the soft skills, communication skills, and all these personal connections I build with my peers.
John was my professor, but he's also a peer in the industry, right? Somebody who knows product management and is actually performing the craft in his professional life.
Describe his teaching style as humorous and very interesting. He make boring things very fun.
He's had a really fun teaching style. Like I said, it was very engaging, very warm, very open. He always wanted to make sure that every student in that class felt like they should be there and that they were, learning as much as they could, as best they could, and really making sure that everybody felt welcomed.
John is a working professional, so he knows the trends, what is the biggest topic in the field.
John's teaching style is very unique. He expects a lot from you, but also, as I stated before, it was very engaging.
So unlike other professors that I've had in the past where they kind of just read off a PowerPoint slide and they go through their notes, Professor Z really has this interesting way of teaching.
It's not like regular classrooms, I'd say. It's not like you're sitting there being bored out of your mind. He's going to have some hands-on, things that he's doing, different kind of activities that, force you to engage with other folks in the room.
Like you assign to different groups for different projects and actually get to meet a lot of people, get to know a lot of people, and get to work with different people. I feel like that's very helpful.
He knows product like there is no tomorrow, and because of that you're able to get a lot of information out of it. Even if you're an expert in product management, you'll be able to get a lot of information from John because
they definitely take his class. It's not something that you would ever regret just because of the skills that you gain from taking this class.
One of the first things he told us, I think our first class, was that you're going to get your money's worth from this class, and I really appreciated that.